Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I'm rocking a cool song from Russ. It's called User Guide, and he released some songs, some material recently, and I'm picking up on one or two of them. Let's go with User Guide, and we have a capo on second, absolute best scenario for us, 3 chords. Let's go into them, and we're gonna start with A minor. Alright, so A minor goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That's the first chord. Next is D minor. That will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the third and final is E7. And that will be open E, second A, open D, first G, open B, and open E. So we have 2 chord progressions, one for verse play and one for chorus play. Let's go into the strumming pattern. So 1 full round, if you grab the A minor, it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna start with down, clap. And then comes up, down, down, clap, down. That's it. So down, clap, up, down, down, clap, down. And so on. All right, so there we have it. Now the verse play is played A minor, 2 string rounds, D minor 1, and E7 1, like this. Alright, now you can make some cool bass going on there. So if you want to add on that, it's a little bit next level. I'm going to show you how. So you're going to play A minor 1 first. And then you're going to play the second round, down, clap, up. And that's it. So down, clap, up. And then comes the notes. These notes replace the rest of the strumming pattern. You're gonna play open A, second A, third A, and then second D. So the second strumming around goes like this. And there you end the A minor, and then you go into the D minor. You're gonna play. So what you're going to play here is almost the full strumming pattern except from the last down. So you play down, clap, up, down, down, clap. And instead of playing down, you're going to hit that first fret D string, okay? That note, that replaces the last down in the D minor strumming. And then you go into this E7 and play in the same way as D minor, almost a full string around, except from the last down, you hit the notes of 4th fret E string. All right, so the E7 will be like this. So no down there, or actually you could go at 1 down, but on that specific note, 4th E. And then you start all over again. So together with the bass, it goes like this. And so on. Right, cool. Now that is the play of verse. Now into the chorus play, and what you're gonna play here is simply strumming. That happens about 33 seconds in, where the chorus starts. I believe 1 minute and 16 as well. So you're just gonna stay with A minor for 3 full string rounds, and then switch to E7 for 1 round, and that's it. So A minor. E7 and back to A. And there you have it, guys. Very simple from Russ. User Guide. 3 chords, 1 string pattern. If you wanna spice up a little bit with some bass going on, you have that possibility as well. Let's do it. So thank you for watching, and until next time, play tuned.